Hi, good morning, teacher and classmates. My name is Jaime Francisco Bonilla Rivera, and I'm going to talk about infinitive phrases. The first that we have to know about this is what is an infinitive phrase. An infinitive phrase is the infinitive form of the verb plus any complement and modifiers. And in this occasion, the complement of infinitive verb will often be its direct object, and the modifier will often be an adverb. So here we have some examples of infinitive phrase. We had to plan a garden, also had to go on vacation, to run home quickly, and to eat pizza for dinner. But how we use or what are the uses of infinitive phrases? We have here that the infinitive phrase is composed for the preposition to plus the base form of the verb. We can use infinitive phrase as a noun, as an adjective, or as an adverb. So we had some examples here. When we use the infinitive phrase as a noun, we had example, I don't want to study for my test. When an infinitive phrase works like a noun, it answers the question what. So the infinitive phrase will be the subject which recites the action of the verb. So here the infinitive phrase that is to study for my test, it received the action of the verb that it want. The other use, when we use an infinitive phrase as an adjective. Here we had example. I want a tutor to help me study. In this case, is a whole an adjective because it describes a noun or a person. So in this case, the infinitive phrase to help me study is describing a person that is the tutor. Okay, we had the n used here, that is as an adverb. Here we have the example. The officer returned to help the inspectors. So in this case, it modified the verb in a sentence, as were the questions like where, when, why, how, or for what reason. So in the case, we can ask us why here or why the officer returned, and the answer will be the infinitive phrase that it's to help the inspectors or for her the inspectors. So here the infinitive phrase is used as an adverb because the infinitive phrase is modified the verb that is returned. That is all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention and stay at home.